Hi students, today we are going to discuss the domain of the function. It is very most important for KCET, KSET and COMEDK and JEE mains. COMEDK and JEE. For these all it is one of the main topic. Now I would like to discuss the rational function. When they have given you rational function, how will you find the domain? See, rational function means simple one sentence I have written. Set of all real numbers except those values of x where the denominator becomes 0. Okay, x values where the denominator becomes 0. So tell me here, I want to find this function domain. What they are telling? Okay, so except those values of x where the denominator becomes 0. What I have denominator? Denominator value it cannot be equal to 0. Okay, that means x is not equal to 1. Yes or no? If I take this 1 minus 1, it's going to become 0. That only they are telling. So now what I can say? Except 1, all real numbers will satisfy. So domain of this function is what? Except 1, all real numbers are going to satisfy. So which option is correct then? Option A. Okay, it is very easy question you will feel. So next come to the second question. What I have the second question then now? You please observe here. This is also rational function. This rational function how to solve? I am telling always you consider the denominator value. You write not equal to 0. Here what I have the denominator value then? So x square. This question I am solving. X square minus 5x plus 6. It is not equal to 0. Okay, then roots. I hope everyone knows how to find this root. Okay, na? Minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 is not equal to 0. X if I take common outside, x minus 3. Minus 2 if you take common, x minus 3 non-zero. X minus 3 of x minus 2 is also not equal to 0. Okay, x minus 3 is non-zero and x minus 2 is also non-zero. So finally, x is not equal to 3 and x is not equal to 2. So except 2 and 3, all real numbers will satisfy. This is only domain. Whenever they are giving to you a rational function, this is rational function, means a by b form. This is also rational function. So denominator value will write like this. Denominator value is not equal to g. Then we'll solve. it. Once if you solve, we'll get this. Then we can say except those values, all real numbers is satisfied. Okay students, I hope you all are understanding what I am saying. The next question. So which option is correct then? Option B. Go to next. Third one. So it is very easy. Okay, basic things you should know first. Now third question. Same, no? It is also rational function. If you are having rational function, denominator value I will write like this. So x square minus x minus 6 is not equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, then after this what I should do? Just basic calculation. 1 into minus 6 is minus 6. Then how will you write? Minus 3 into 2. Okay, roots. Then directly you can say minus of minus 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. Where it is? 3 and minus 2 here. So this is the answer. How sir means direct. Some people can use their brain. Okay, no need to write the steps. Some people may be a little slow. So for them sake, we'll solve the method. So roots I got it right. X square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 is not equal to 0. Let me take x common outside. So x minus 3 plus 2 common outside. X minus 3. It is not equal to 0. So x minus 3 of x plus 2 is not equal to 0. That means what I can take here? X minus 3 is non-zero and x plus 2 is also non-zero. X is not equal to 3 and x is not equal to minus 2. Except minus 2 and 3, all real numbers are satisfied. So option 3. So I hope you all are understood. So can I allot some work for you all? Now work. So if you get the answer, please try to send the answer in comment section. I am very happy. Okay, suppose 1 by x minus 2. I want this domain. Find domain. What is the domain? F of x equal to 1 by x square. Okay. Okay, you take one question is enough for me. Remaining questions you try. This is the very most important question, repeated question for KCE. Next question. Next model. So for each model I am doing some questions here. I am going. Hi students. Domain range. Before we did one model, now another model. So we have many models here to find the domain. Suppose before what I solved, it's like 1 by x pattern. Denominator value always should be not equal to 0, I told. Suppose if I write 1 by f of x, then what will you say? F of x will be never equal to 0. Okay, it is always non-zero only. Same. Now here under root values, whenever they are giving for you, root x is there. X value, what I can say then, greater than or equal to 0. Suppose root f of x will be there. Then what is f of x value is greater than or equal to 0. My dear students, you all are understanding what I am saying here? Okay, same. Suppose sir, 1 by root f of x is there means sir. See, you can see here, I told 1 divided by denominator value will never be equal to 0. And under root value is always greater than or equal to 0. So r equal to is there? No. I am going to eliminate that. Let me eliminate it. Now what I should write then? 1 divided by f of x means f of x is just greater than 0. Like that many conditions are there. Now I selected the condition is just root f of x. Root f of x time. What is f of x value is always greater than or equal to 0. Let me solve these all problems. I hope you got the point right. Okay. I hope you all got this point what I am saying. Okay. So we'll start now. See, I am telling you all, if I am having square root of f of x, I am telling you all f of x is always greater than or equal to 0. That means I am having square root of x minus 1. Then what is x minus 1? X minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Then x is greater than or equal to 1. This minus 1 if you send another side, I am getting plus 1. So minimum value is 1. Maximum value is infinity. If this arrow is there means including 1 to infinity. So which option is correct then? Option B. How much time do you need to say the domain of this? X minus 1 then 1 to infinity. Direct also we can say. By practice we'll get that. Okay. Next. So I am telling you all, under root of f of x is there means f of x value should be always greater than or equal to 0. This also we have a square minus x square is greater than or equal to 0. Later a minus x into a plus x is also greater than or equal to 0. I hope you all understood. It looks like a square minus b square. So a minus b into a plus b. If greater than is there means again we will get the two intervals. So I have a procedure here, but I am not following the procedure. Let me give the trick. Let me give the trick. Okay, whenever you are seeing a square minus x square, then what is the trick? So domain is minus a to a. Suppose sir, a square no, they have given for you square root of 9 minus x square. If they given to you 9 minus x square, what is the domain of this? Minus 3 comma 3. Yes sir, no, 9 means I can write 3 square. If they given 16 here, 16 means what then domain? Minus 4 comma 4. Like this. Okay. You technically you remember the formula. That's why I have written the standard result. Whenever you are observing a square minus x square, then domain is always minus a comma a closed braces. See here, minus a comma a only, minus a comma a only, but braces are differ. Okay, so we need to select always closed braces. Why sir means under root value is always greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to means equal to is there no, so including means I will use the closed braces. So what is the option then now? Option B is the correct answer. So let them give any question, you can solve it. Now homework, based on this one homework question I am allotting. In comment section you please send this answer. 25 minus x square. I need domain of this. How much time do you need? If I explain the procedure, this whole part it will take in board also. Slowly if I explain. Okay, but simple trick. What I am telling you, a square minus x square. Then domain is minus a comma a only. See how much easy. Then homework question. Square root of 25 minus x square. What is the answer? Please do comment on comment section. Thank you. Next, domain of square root. Square root means under value should be always, I told you, condition. Under value, under root what I have then? X minus 7 into 9 minus x should be a greater than or equal to 0. Further procedure. Here I am having 9 minus x. In this I would like to take minus common outside. Minus came out means x minus 7 and x minus 9 is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, if this minus, apply both sides negative sign. Simple manner, if I want to say, this negative sign will send another side. When you are sending the negative sign, the symbol should change. Here greater than or equal to is there, no, it's going to become less than or equal to 0. Okay, na? So when I have less than or equal to, I am going to get only one interval. If I am having here greater than, I will get two intervals. Now from this one, what is the small value? 7. So 7 comma big value is 9. What interval? Closed interval, because this arrow is there. So x is belongs to 7 comma 9. So which option is correct then? Through closed interval. But many options I have wrote. So let me change this option. This is open. So both should be a closed. Okay. So both are open, both closed. So this is correct. Here see 9 side is open interval. Option D, 7 side is open. So I hope you all understood how to do. So if they are giving under root, first you select that part and you write it say in the form of this. Write in this form. Then you do the calculation. For that calculation also you need some basic knowledge. Suppose till here everyone can do. After that, this you need to write this pattern. Less than or equal to is there means you should know that first. If you don't know this, we can write like this, then it is a tough only. Understanding also. So I hope you all are understanding what I am saying. Next one. Last, x square minus a square. This also, first we will go for x square minus a square is greater than or equal to 0. X minus a into x plus a is also greater than or equal to 0. Some procedure will follow here. Okay, now, but here I am going to tell you all trick. X square minus a square is there. Then always domain is equal to r minus of a comma a. I am allotting the question for now. 9 minus, x square minus 9. What is the answer then? Except minus 3 and 3, all real numbers will satisfy. Root of x square minus 25. X square minus 25, what I can write then? Except minus 5 comma 5, all real numbers will satisfy. Now I am allotting you all the question, homework question. You please tell me the answer. For this ranges also easy. Okay, but ranges I will tell range time only. And I am solving. What is the trick for this? What is the trick for this? Minus a comma a. For this trick is what I am telling. Except minus a comma a, all real numbers will satisfy. So homework question is square root of x square minus 64. Let me know this answer. Please do comments on comment section this. I am waiting for your answer. Thank you. So this is easy now. So one more trick we'll see. Different type next. You see this third model. Here, what is our target? Again, same domain only. I did not wrote completely because small board. No? Again, we need to find here domain only. For this, I have not wrote the options. I told you all already, if I am having 1 by f of x means a rational form. If it is a rational function, f of x is not equal to 0. If it is just under root of f of x, then f of x is greater than or equal to 0. If it is just like 1 divided by root f of x, then you can tell me f of x is just greater 0. Just greater than 0. You got it right. 3 conditions. Now I am following this. Already I completed first and second. Now I entered in the third case. Third case, 1 divided by root of f of x. What you should take? Just greater value. Let me take now. So 1 divided by, here what I am having, f of x equal to 1 divided by. So x minus 1 is just greater 0. Then x is greater than 1. So domain is what then now? Domain is equal to, minimum is 1, but here interval is very most important. Just greater means open interval. That means 1 is not including, 1 is excluding, but above 1. Above 1 means up to infinity I am having. That is the answer. Options I have not wrote. Okay, next thing. Condition you remember, yeah? Okay, so now this is the third type I am doing from range and domain. Okay, third type is what? 1 divided by square root of f of x is there, then f of x value is just greater 0. Let me take this now. X minus 6 into x minus 9 is just greater than 0. So we'll solve it now. You can tell me, yeah, it is so easy. When I have the greater than symbol, I am going to get the 2 intervals. Suppose some people are so sharp. See, if it is just greater, 6 and 9, it will be never included. It will be never included. That means closed brace we won't get at all. See, closed brace, wrong option, closed brace, wrong option. This is open, but this is closed, wrong option, open, yes. Option D. Success. See, for this we need to solve again. So that only in exam hall, spontaneously we need to use the brain. Who can use the brain, they can do. For this, no need to solve. Okay, solving means first you should have the basic knowledge. Greater than symbol means you should take the 2 intervals. How to take? Which is small? For small means x less than 6. Which is big? X is greater than 9. That means maximum 6. Minimum we don't know. So minus infinity to 6 open interval. And means union of minimum is 9. What about maximum? Up to infinity. See how much easy this. So option D. Now also I got the same thing, right? But people should know when they given x minus a and x minus b condition, I am going to give you x minus a and x minus b is greater than 0. Then what I should write then? Here conditions are applicable. A less than b. At that time I can write it as x is less than a or x is greater than b. Suppose sir, greater than means like this sir. Then what about less than means? X minus a and x minus b is less than 0. Same condition means a greater than b. Comparing to a, b value is b. Then I can write it as a less than x less than b. That means interval wise means this is minus infinity to up to a union, and this is b to up to infinity, because it is just greater. This is just lesser. No, interval means a comma b. Sir, if r equal to is there, then change it as closed. Here also less than or equal to is there, then change it as r equal to. That means what? Symbols should change. Got it right, my point? Okay? So like this here. So these all basics we learned in the lower standards only. Who know these basics? These all questions we can do in fractional seconds. 30 seconds enough. Maybe you will take for bubbling more time. Okay na? So last question. X minus mod x. Basically I know mod x definition. Plus x. If x is greater than or equal to 0, minus x. x is less than 0. Let me take that now. X minus plus x you take. Mod x place I am taking plus x when if x is greater than or equal to 0 times. So cancel 0. You take x minus mod x place you please take minus x minus of minus plus x. It's going to become 2x when in which situation if x is less than 0. So overall this result is 0. This result is 2x. If you take f of 1, the result is 0. If I take f of 2, the result is 0. Yes or no? 0 or more than 0 if you take, then result is always 0. Okay na? So we are not getting 1, 2, 3 numbers at all. Positive numbers only not there. So r plus is not possible. Then we'll get all negative numbers. No. See them now. You take suppose 0 you can't take here. You take f of minus 1, then minus 2. It's starting from minus 2 then. Okay. So r minus wrong. Then real numbers how it is possible? Positive result only not there. Real numbers possible or wrong. Then which option is correct then? Option D. So like that, many of the people are feeling range domain concepts are tough, but it is so easy. Okay. If you like this class, please share and subscribe my channel. And many things I will do in my next lecture, especially range I will take 1 hour class actually, so I will make it like 2 videos. Okay, so please follow me, do subscription and forward it. Thank you, bye, we'll see in next lecture.